As we wrap up, we like to dive into something we call our Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So you mentioned earlier one of my favorite phrases: the more gear you have, the less video you'll shoot. If you don't believe me, or you believe me and just don't care, I'm going to share my widget with you. So this is something we just got about a week or two ago, and it allows you to have that nice smooth footage with your when filming. And so we've talked about gimbals in the past. There's a bunch of them out there, but I just bought the DJI Osmo Mobile 5. They're probably coming out with the 6 any second now. But this one's really cool. Got a couple really cool things about it that the last one I had was the first version, so this one's much newer. One is you can easily film vertically, which is great. The first one wasn't built for that at all. So you can film vertically. They have it built to where the gimbal isn't in the shot when you're filming, so that's great. Two, I always thought this was kind of kitschy and kind of stupid, but I actually really like it. They have it basically it turns it into a selfie stick, and so it doesn't extend as far as I thought. I thought I was going to give like a 6-foot extension. I don't know why.
It's like a foot or two.
Yeah, because selfie sticks are like, but it has like between a foot or 1 and 2 feet, I think, of an extension. But it's kind of cool to get some shots from up above, just with a little bit of extension, looking straight down. I think they're like $150, $160. If you want it, if I was just talking to an agent today, and utilizing something like this to do video walkthroughs of properties, or just to get some smooth kind of walking so it's not so jerky. The DJI Osmo Mobile 5 is what I'm rocking. It's pretty cool. Folds up really small. I like it.
Cool. The one I want to share, we've been really geeking out on short form video, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, all that stuff. And we're just always looking for apps. I think one of the most common things that we all get is like, how do I edit this stuff? Who am I going to send it to? I got to hire someone on Fiverr. Like, nah, you don't need to do that. There's apps for that. So there's a really cool built-in app in Instagram for making Reels where you can just take a bunch of photos and videos and it'll stitch it together into a video for you. But if you really want to take it to another level, have some more customization, have some more options when it comes to creating short-form videos, there's an app called Beat Leap, Beatleap, Beat Leap. Really good. You just take all the clips. Like I was out at the river this weekend. I could take all the photos and videos that I shot while I was out there. It'll stitch it all together, add some music, sync the photos and videos to the music, make it look like had a professional edit it, make me look like a total badass, which will ultimately get me more traction on the videos that I create. So check out Beat Leap. Heard a lot of good feedback on that and just started using it myself.
I'm downloading it right now.
Cool. Well, hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
And I'm Bryan Kochi. I'll see you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.